Hello. In this video, we're going to be talking about quadratics and using them to model area problems. So I have a story problem here. A storage space is 6 foot by 10 foot. The owner plans to increase the square footage of the area by increasing the dimensions by the same amount in each direction. So before we begin, I'm going to draw a picture to represent this situation here. So we have this 6 foot by 10 foot space, this rectangular space. And we're going to increase the amount each way by an unknown amount. But we're going to, when we close back up, it's just going to be a bigger rectangle. Now, I don't know how much I go in each direction, so I'm going to call both of these x, feet. So part A asks us to write a function to represent the situation. Now, we know that the area formula, I'm going to say a of x for my function. So I input an x value and I'm going to output what the new area is. But area is typically found by doing length times width. Now, the length of this thing is 10 units plus x more. So I can say 10 plus x. Meanwhile, our width was 6 plus x more. So our width we can say is 6 plus x. And just to finish this off, I'm going to FOIL these two things together, multiply them together. So a of x equals, well, I take 10 times 6, which is 60, and then 10 times the plus x, so plus 10x. Then x times 6, so plus 6x, and x times x, so plus x squared. And then we'll combine like terms. So our area function is x squared plus 10x and 6x combined to make 16x plus 60 at the end. So there's our area formula. Now, the last question here then is, if the increase is 4 feet for each direction, what is the new area? Well, what this tells me is that my x value is 4. So to answer this question, we just do a of 4, and then we just put 4 in for all of our x's. So 4 squared plus 16 times 4 plus 60. So a of 4 is equal to, we have 16 when we do 4 squared. 16 times 4 makes 64 plus 60. And then when we add all of that together, 16 and 64 add to make 80. 80 plus 60 is 140, and that would be in square feet. So that would be the new area. Okay, so we created a model, and then we used that model to figure out what the value would be at a specific increase. Okay, for now we're done.